like this is really a very interesting thing to do. It's very important to keep up to date with the issues that people think are affecting them in terms of mining export infrastructure.
We produce global coal reports and indices, so the benefit for us is to get an understanding of what's happening in the marketplace. Particularly infrastructure is very, very important for us. And also too, from a networking perspective, we'd like to meet producers, infrastructure suppliers, anybody that's out there who might be interested in our products and services.
We see great value in both attending the conference and sponsoring the conference. From the perspective of the mining community is quite small. We quite often don't get the engagement and get the connection and get together in this type of forum. It's a great opportunity to hear from other vendors and other sponsors as far as their discussions of what's going on in the mining space, and it's great to get that feedback and an opportunity to ask questions as well.
The value of attending the conference today is about getting different perspectives of people so that we can exchange ideas, understand what the future looks like and figure out ways to work together. It's an informal way of getting people to express their views where it's not recorded, where you're not in a commercial environment, and you can learn a lot from each other at these forums.
Well, certainly getting over the rainfall. Obviously infrastructure is a constant problem and concern for a lot of local suppliers and international producers and anybody looking for coal. Also labour is another big issue, getting the skilled people. Plus also too, just being able to get out there and capitalise on the good prices that are there right now.
Some of the major challenges we're seeing is obviously the bottlenecks and constraints in infrastructure. We've seen we're in the planning and scheduling space as far as a software vendor goes. We've seen some great uptake in looking at systems to increase the capacity and use of assets through the supply chain. So there's some great advantages out there.
The biggest challenge at the moment facing industry, particularly in the coal supply chains, is the future growth forecasts and just how do we match the delivery of infrastructure to provide a service medium for that coal to international markets. Working together, building new networks, getting more out of our current networks are some of the problems that we have.